Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I am Nukumala binti Kamaldin together with my partner Wan Sukatini binti Wan Samiun. Today I will be presenting our research on pitching for polytechnic students, how to deliver a winning presentation. This study explores how effective pitching skills help students communicate confidently in academic and professional settings. As for the introduction, mastering the art of pitching is an essential skill for students. Whether it is for academic presentation, job interviews, or business pitches, the ability to clearly and persuasively convey ideas is crucial. An effective pitch involves four key elements. Start with the first one, structured content, strong verbal and non-verbal communication, audience engagement, and the use of visual aids. However, many students struggle with challenges like stage fright, lack of clarity, and difficulty engaging their audience. So, this study aims to explore these challenges and propose solutions to help students improve their pitching skills. Right, let's continue with the background of the study. Pitching is more than just a presentation. It is about persuading your audience, whether in the classroom, in front of your lecturers, in front of your classmates, pitching in the competitions, or at the workplace. A strong pitch can open doors to new opportunities. Unfortunately, many students have not received formal training in pitching, so making it difficult for them to communicate confidently. Then, as a result, their ideas are often not well received. So, by looking on clarity, confidence, and creativity, we aim to equip students with the necessary tools to deliver compelling pitches. Let's continue with the problem statement. The main issue is that most students lack proper training in pitching. Many many of the students, our respondents experience with the stage fright, struggle to maintain audience engagement, and fail to use visual aids effectively. Additionally, existing training programs are often inadequate, leading to inconsistent presentation quality among students. This research seeks to identify effective training methods that can bridge this gap. Okay, let's continue with the objectives of this study. So for this paper, we state with three main objectives. The objectives are, number one, we want to assess students' experience, confidence, and challenges in pitching presentation. Followed by, identify key elements and strategies that contribute to a successful pitch. And then the last one, we want to evaluate the impact of formal training and so that we can suggest improvement for pitching education. These objectives guide our study and help us develop effective recommendations. Now we go to the literature review of our paper. So many scholars have emphasized the importance of presentation skills in communications and career progression. Some key findings from previous research include, for example, Denning 2011 highlights that storytelling is a powerful tool for audience engagement, while Grace 2009 emphasized the importance of body language and vocal tone in effective presentations, and Mayer 2001 discusses about how visual aids enhance the audience understanding. So for overall, research shows that a combination of structured content, clear communications, and engaging delivery leads to successful pitches. For this study, for the research methodology to conduct this study, we use a mixed method approach, combining surveys, interviews, and focus groups. A total number of 158 students participated, representing various programs and semesters. So the respondent that we choose to answer our questionnaires are the students from semester 1 to semester 5 from different field of study. We collected both quantitative data through surveys and qualitative insights through interviews and focus group discussion. For the quantitative data, we provide 15 questions through the questionnaire and divide to the students. And for the qualitative, the focus group, we have 10 students to answer the interview. The findings were analyzed to identify common challenges and effective strategies for improving pitching skills. Okay, let's move on to the results and discussions. Our findings reveal some interesting insights about students' pitching experiences. So the data shows that 42% of students had never participated in pitching before. There are only 22% of students felt confident in structuring their pitch. While for the stage fright, it was the biggest challenge, affecting about 65% of the students. Other common issues included lack of speech clarity that caused to 48% and poor audience engagement, which is for 41%. So this statistic highlights the need for better training and practice in pitching. Okay, for the key findings of our research, our study we identified several elements that contribute to a successful pitch. These include content structuring, when 87% of students agreed this was critical. Verbal communication skills, 72% found this is important. Non-verbal communication such as body language, 64%. The use of visual aids like slides and video, 59%. So additionally, engagement strategies like storytelling, interactive question and answer sessions, and humor were found to enhance the effectiveness of pitches. So for the recommendations, based on our finding, we recommend the following improvements. The first one, we need to increase hands-on pitching practice through competitions and real-world simulation. For example, more practice on presentation in class, evaluated by the lecturer. Enhance training program with interactive workshop and mentorship. Use AI-powered feedback tools to help students refine their teaching skills. Encourage storytelling and audience interactions to make presentation more engaging. By implementing these strategies, institution can better equip students for academic and professional success. So that as a conclusion, teaching skills are crucial for students' academic and professional success because teaching is a vital skill that every student should master. Our research shows that while training programs exist, they are not always effective. Students need more practical opportunities to build confidence and refine their delivery. So institutions should focus on providing hands-on training, mentorship programs, and AI-powered feedback tools to enhance teaching education. By strengthening teaching skills, students can improve their employability, communications confidence, and ability to present ideas persuasively. So that's all from me. Thank you.